Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert audio to the post or how to add audio to the post. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to add the audios on your Tumblr application, just going to show in this video. So to post a audio or music on your Tumblr application, click on the pencil symbol first, then you have a option called audio. You can see this is the symbol, so click on this. Now you can just add a audio from your thing. So here you can just search what the Tumblr is listening to. You can just search audio, whatever audio you just needed. For an example, I just need a rock music. I can just search as rock, and you can see the list of music and click on this first, and you can just post it directly. So you just can click on this symbol and you can just search what are the audios you just needed or you just love it. So after just add the audio or music, you can just add more text and you can just post it whatever you like, you just like it. And this is how you just post the audios on your or music on your Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.